Hello, I'm Ben from Meatless Farm. I'm going to be cooking a Keema Coconut Curry using the Meatless Farm Mince. So first job, we're going to slice an onion. We'll get our onions in. We'll give them a really good seasoning. Cool, so while the onions are cooking, we will take the ginger and turmeric and some fresh garlic so they can go in. We'll start to cook our mince. The best way to get the best out of it is to cook it separately to the sauce and add it to the sauce at the end. That way you're going to maintain a beautiful texture, the mouthfeel's going to improve, the mince isn't going to crumble, you're going to end up with something really similar to meat mince. Come on, then we'll have a little look, and that's looking pretty good. So at this point, we'll flip it over. Okay, then back over to our curry. We're going to go in with our dry spices now. So ground coriander, a little bit of garam masala, and we're just going to cook those spices out only for like a minute or so. Cool, then we're going to take a couple of tomatoes and get these diced up roughly. Cool, and at this point into the onions we can throw 1 tin of coconut milk. I'm going to chuck in the tomatoes and let them cook out. Cool, our curry sauce is pretty much there. Our mince is beautiful and crispy. We'll just go straight in. Give that a gentle stir around. A few peas in there. The final thing we're going to do is temper the curry. So we're going to heat a little bit of rapeseed oil. You could use butter, but I want to keep this plant-based. A few cumin seeds. Yeah, that's there. And that is our curry good to go. Couple of chapatis on there. Let's give it a go. That's ace. Make it, it's delicious.